As North Korea's national airline Air Koryo was set to make its first commercial flight in over 3 years, it was abruptly cancelled at the last minute. The country has been closed off from the outside world since early 2020 when it shut its border following the COVID 19 pandemic. The flight was cancelled almost 2 hours after its scheduled arrival. A signboard in the terminal signaled that it had been cancelled, prompting the disappointment from the passengers. The chance to witness some of the isolated North's first international travelers in years was over in just moments. According to reports, Beijing Airport customer service said that Air Koryo had not given a reason for the cancellation. On the cancellation, China's foreign ministry said that it had approved restarting commercial flights between Beijing and Pyongyang. Foreign Ministry spokesperson Wang Wenbin said that during the summer and autumn flight seasons, the Chinese side approved flight plans for passengers such as the Pyongyang-Beijing and Beijing-Pyongyang routes of Air Koryo. With reports of North Korea opening flight operations, the question arose whether the country is becoming flexible about border controls. As per reports, after 3 years of isolation, there are increasing signs that North Korea may be becoming more flexible on border controls. Last month, Chinese and Russian officials attended a military parade in the North Korean capital, the first foreign dignitaries to visit the country in years. Last week, Pyongyang allowed a delegation of athletes to attend a taekwondo competition in Kazakhstan as they crossed the land border into China before traveling on to Beijing. Seoul's Unification Ministry, which manages relations with the North, told news agency AFP that there was absolutely nothing they were aware of regarding the cancellation of the flight. An official said that there have been various signs regarding North Korea's reopening of its borders. They added saying that it is, however, difficult to determine yet whether it is a full-scale opening of the border or a fairly limited and controlled opening.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.